In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up escalation rules in Zoho CRM using Chrome. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step to ensure that you're maximizing the efficiency and responsiveness of your CRM system. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Zoho CRM account using the Chrome browser. If you're not logged in already, just head over to the Zoho CRM website and input your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is your central hub for managing all customer relationships. Now, let's navigate to the Setup section. You'll find this in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on Setup will open a new panel with a variety of options designed to help you customize and automate your CRM experience. Today, our focus will be on the Automation tab, so go ahead and click on that. Within the Automation section, you'll see an option for Escalation rules. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage or set up new escalation rules. These rules are incredibly useful for ensuring that customer inquiries and issues get the attention they need in a timely manner by escalating unresolved cases to the appropriate team members. To create a new escalation rule specifically for cases, look for the option to add a new rule. This will typically be a button labeled New Rule or something similar. Clicking this will initiate the process of setting up a new escalation guideline for your cases. The next step involves defining the conditions and time limits for your escalation. Think about the criteria that would necessitate an escalation, such as urgency, complexity, or time elapsed without a resolution. You'll want to ensure you're covering all the bases by specifying all relevant conditions that would prompt action. Once your conditions are set up, you'll need to decide on the time limits. Time limits are crucial because they determine how long a case can go without resolution before being escalated. Consider your organization's capacity and responsiveness and set realistic deadlines that will keep your team on their toes. With the foundation of your rule laid out, it's time to assign escalation actions and recipients. Here, you specify what should happen when the escalation conditions are met and who will be notified. You might choose to alert specific team members or notify entire departments. Assign actions that will facilitate quick and effective resolution, ensuring that the right people are informed and prepared to handle the situation. Finally, don't forget to save your hard work. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the setup page. Once you've saved your rule, activate it to put it into effect immediately, allowing your team to start benefiting from these automated processes right away. And that's it! You've successfully set up an